Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you about teaching how you can teach your kids self-love and creating a healthy body image. This has been a huge problem for this generation because there is a huge use of social media, and in the social media generally this body image is a problem for this generation. So how you can create how you can teach your kids to create a healthy body image, and how you can teach them or tell them to have a good self love. So stay tuned till end and comment below what did you learn, if you have learned anything from this video. So let's jump into the topic. From the mind map you can see that the very first way of teaching them self love is don't say negative thing about yourself. Most of the things start from us. So when our kids see that we tell ourselves wrong words like I am not good enough, or I am not good looking, or something like that, so if we are saying negative words to ourselves, our kids will also learn from us, because they learn more from seeing us. So this is the first tip, that don't say negative things to yourself first. The second point is validate your kids' insecurities and then teach positivity. So what happens, generally we try to teach them, though, no, you are very good at this, and well done. So these things generally parents do say to their kids. So what we forget here is we have to first we have to validate their insecurities. So first talk to them, that why they are thinking that they are not good enough, or what kind of negative image they have created in their mind. First validate that, and then teach them that how they can think a good image about themselves. So this is very important point, I think. The third point is give them praise. So this is the thing I was telling, that most of the parents nowadays, they do praise their kids. So this is also very important. Don't tell negative words to them, even if they did some mistakes. Obviously we have to scold them little bit, but don't say negative words that I know you can't do this thing, never. I mean, these are the things, it's not possible for you. Don't tell these words to your kid. And you can mention in your affirmation that I will tell always positive words to my kid. So that's very important. The fourth point is make an I love myself jar. So this is very interesting point I found while researching on this topic. So you can create a bowl, glass bowl or something, and there you mention that I love myself jar. And every day tell your kids, or you can also do along with your kid, every day tell your kids to write in a chit that today what they love about themselves, in which aspect. Like suppose one day they will mention that I can draw very well. Someday they will mention that today I did very well in my school, or someday they will mention that some other activity they did very well. So tell them to praise themselves in any topic, and just fold that chit and put it in the jar. So within a month there will be 30 reasons to feel good about themselves. So that's a very important, that's a very good ways of, I think, teaching kids the positivity. The fifth way is watch videos of self-love and self-esteem together. So watch some kind of cartoon animation film. There are so many good animation films from where they can learn that body image. I mean, they should have a healthy body image, and body or any negative, even if they don't have something, they can improve on it. So watching movie is a good way of learning, and also read books along with them, where there are so many they can learn from the moral. So I read moral stories with moral in my podcast. So this idea came into my mind because I saw that if I teach something to my daughter, she may listen, or she may not listen to me. But when that same moral she is learning from a book, after a story, I think she is more eager to follow that. So I thought, okay, every day I should read these stories with moral, and the more I will read, I will also able to give her the example that remember we read this story with this moral. So this is a very important point, I think. And this last but not the least point is make them feel important. So you can ask question about some family decision also, something you are buying some furniture, or you are even buying sometimes I ask her that what toys we should buy for your sister. Sometimes we ask my elder one, because my younger one is very small, she's only 2 plus. So elder one, we ask so many questions to feel her important, so that she can feel that she is a very important person in our family. So we ask her that where do you want to go to dinner, or what do you want to take in your dinner, which fruit should we buy this week. So this very small question, but if you ask question to your kids, they will feel, while answering, they will also, their creative thinking also improve, because they will imagine something, they will think something which is not very regular for them. And at the same time, it will help kids self love and having a positive body image. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and like me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. You can join the free session. Thank you. So let's jump into the topic.